Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a Delta symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a Delta symbol in your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open a sheet here and just clicking inside the sheet, and now you just need to click on this plus symbol. You don't have any insert symbol option here. Instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here I just using my Google keyboard or Gboard. You can just download this application from the Play Store. Click on this number section again and click on this equal section again. You will see a lot of option here, and here the delta symbol is here. You can just insert delta symbol directly by using this option. This is how you just insert a delta symbol on your Google Sheet mobile, because there is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet mobile. Instead of that, you can use your own keyboard or Google keyboard. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.